Hey everybody, if you have a tractor or an implement with forks and you need to do a lot of post hole pounding with T-posts, have we got a hack for you. So we tried this out. Cuteman, my husband, figured out how to jerry-rig the post hole pounder onto the forks themselves with a chain here and a rope. And wouldn't you know it, it works beautifully. And he's got the technique down, and we've been able to put in a whole bunch of T-posts for different garden beds. And every year we do somewhere between like 30 to 40 of them at least. It's a lot of strain on your muscles, on your upper body, not to mention that dinging can really get to your ears. So it's definitely saving us some manual effort and time, and it's kind of fun. So here's our setup, and we just want to share because A, this will help us for reference next year. This is the first year we figured it out, so we'll be able to watch our own video, and also B, in case it helps anybody else out. So we have the post hole pounder, just a standard post hole pounder, aligned here on that panel here where the forks rest, and we wrapped the chain that we have really tight. And when we started to do it, it went through both of these arms, but in fact, as it, inevitably will come loose from time to time, we ended up at this point just having it on the one. But the point is that it is centered. The other thing we figured out when we were doing this and experimenting is that sometimes we wouldn't have enough weight on the front, and the front tires would lift up when we were pushing down, especially when you hit tougher ground that's not as soft. So we decided to try out putting the weights on here, and that absolutely worked. And that way you can really use the downward force of the forks on the tractor and really get that post into the ground.